Alright, thanks for the introduction, Taj. So I'll be talking about the improvement plans that we'd be using. The three processes that we would be using are Kaizen, DMAIC, and Kanban. So the Kaizen. I broke it into 7 steps. We'll be identifying an opportunity within the CSL Plasma Center to help improve productivity, analyze the process between start to finish, and if there are any bottlenecks within the process. Develop an optimal solution, which is finding a part in the process that can be made better. Implement the solution to the problem that was identified. Study the results if they are working to improve the process or slowing the process. Standardize the solution. If the solution that was implemented works, then make it into a normal procedure. Plan for the future. Planning to implement more procedures to perfecting the blood donations. So DMAIC is a structured 5-step problem-solving procedure that we'll be using to help successfully complete projects. So we got first, define opportunities, what is crucial importance for the patient. Measure performance, collecting data to help determine how well the blood donation process works. Analyze opportunities, understanding data that was collected and understanding the root cause, which can be in multiple steps. Improve performance, the step where generating solutions and evaluate which is the best solution. And control, objective, monitor the implemented process and mistake-proof the process. Alright, and now we have Kanban. It's a system that visually indicates when production should start and stop. And it's to help reduce inventory and improve workflow. So I broke it down to signaling. The first Kanban will be receiving the products or services at a point and signaling when it's low. And then the second Kanban will be emptying the second product or service so that it can restart over.